Okay, very good. Sige. Dance, everybody. Boys, you dance, boys. Dance. Good. So ngayon, let's start our first game. And our first game is called Pass the Balloon. As you can see, nakikita niyo mga kids, may dalawang balloons tayo. Okay? You hold up. Dito muna mag-start. Okay, ate, you hold up the balloon. And then you pass it to your right. Where is your right hand? You pass it to the right. There. Papa, while the music is playing, habang nag-play yung music, you will dance and then you will pass the balloon to the right. Okay? Sige na, di mahulog mga kids ha. Mag-dance ko kay ang best dancer, tagaan ako prize. Okay? Ready? Everybody! And when the music stops, pabasang ang music, ang last na nag-hold sa balloon will be out. Okay? Ma-out na kung last na nag-hold sa balloon. Okay ba? Naiintindihan ba mga kids? Okay, once again ha? Wait muna, naiintindihan niyo ba? Nasabtan ninyo kids? Nasabtan ninyo? Okay, very good. You will pass the balloon to the right habang ang music ay nagpe-play. For example, nag-sound ang music. Mag-dance mo and then you will pass the balloon. Pero pag mag-stop na agaling ang music, ang last na nag-hold sa balloon will be out. Okay? Okay na ba? Okay, nasabtan kids? Okay, very good. So once again, let's do the Jollibee agreement. Hi! Very good. Hello! Jolly! We go everybody! Jolly! Be happy! Once again, be happy! And then, sa Jollibee, be na ang saya! Yay! Sa Jollibee, be na ang saya! Yay! So kids, ngayon, are you ready to play?
Yes.
Yes! So everybody, ready? Pass the balloon to the right. Go! Go back, you dance, everybody dance. I want everybody to dance and you pass the balloon while the music is playing. Sige, pero kids, do not throw the balloon. Dili ilabay ang balloon ha, dapat ipasag yun to the right. Sige, sige, pasa. Oh, trial mo na yun.